to the Rex for the first time. 777 out in front. The 1111, the 82, the 99, and the 55 in the top five. Watch that 44. Watch the 303. And the 21 can't hang on. Neither can the 444. And the 1111 looking for the lead. Side by side, down to that first and second corner. First lap is on. Haven't stopped the 82 to the 99 left side by.
Is that a Kia Soul? Was that
I think you're
right. Wow. The Toaster is in second place.
Not anymore. He's toast. Through the center. Nice and easy. Side by side over the ramp. Into turns 4 and 3. Watch out for the 188. Whoopsie-doo.
Clean up on aisle 4. What's your name? Where you from?
Cliff, Lakeville, Mass.
Well, we get a lot of pressure from behind. Did you know you had pressure?
A little bit. I was watching in the mirror, but I don't know. It was just had its time.
How much fun was that?
It was a blast. I suggest everybody do it if you can.
All right, congratulations.
A little song for Kyle Busch. I haven't heard anything tonight about Kyle Busch. Can we have a moment for Kyle Busch, please?
Let's go.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's what we've got for you tonight. What a show. this again. Saturday night, the 4th of July. Come on down as we celebrate Independence Day Seacon Speedway style, 250 years. Down in 3, 2, 1. Already we got issues. Wrong way. Reverse.
That red truck could flip.
Our leader gets tagged. He's got a target on his back. What's the 21 thinking? Yeah, Steve, I don't know if I do that.
Hurry up, can't see you, you know.
Guys, for 521, your truck figure eight winner. Congratulations, what's your name?
Peter LaBossiere,
Peter, where you from?
Johnson.
Peter from Johnson, all right. Very different. Have you done figure eights before?
Yes, they have.
What makes them so fun?
They're amazing. Get the jumps and just having some fun.
A little bit of carnage going on between about 3 or 4 trucks. How'd you seem to navigate your way through that?
Just keep going forward, baby.
Say it, I know some people you need to thank.
508 Racing, my dad, my girlfriend Dawn. I love you guys. Woo! Couldn't do it without 'em.
Peter from Johnson, your truck figure eight winner.
All right, congratulations, Peter. As we get ready birthday. Who's gonna be the one to win the first prize? You got the 16 and the 19 up front, the 18 and the 16. That's 14 and 19 up front. Here comes the 16 and 18. On the outside.
Everybody doing a good job at sticking together. Little cluster team on the field, 14 and 19 have figured this out quicker than the rest of the field.
Watch out for the 80 and 2018 coming up on the inside. Oh! We got one around. Oh, jackpot! Well, we've got a commanding lead in this one. Oh, you take up another team. We got the 275 and the 43 way out front. They're the only two not to get collected in that calamity. Yeah, trying to find his partner. Here they come. Kind of like a line dance where you're swapping partners. Got to go find your own partner and go back to the line dance. One more time around. 275 and 43, a lap ahead of everybody else. Off of turn number 2. The 2018 and 18 are a lap down.
Such a waste of
Here
time.
they come, the sole survivors. No problems there. And the 275 and 43 take the win. Another round of applause for our first ever wheelbarrow winners. What's your name? Where you from?
Jake Valcourt from Little Compton, Rhode Island.
Aiden Valcourt from Somerset, Mass. Brothers? Cousins. Nice. Who's the pusher? How much fun was that pushing your cousin around?
It was pretty sick. It was a good time.
Do you get to do that at home too, push him around?
No.
Will you from now on?
Maybe.
Tell him it's
Good. Pretty good for us, so.
I did. It was. Now, how much fun was it for you up front, just getting pushed around?
That was a blast.
Now, you had no gas in this, so you couldn't go anywhere. You were at his mercy. You're coming through the corner, and everybody else is wrecking in front of you. How did you guys make it through?
You just gonna power through. So,
What was going through your mind when that happened?
I saw them spin in front of me, and I was like, I can't stop. So I just put my foot on the floor, we pushed right through it, and then we were in the lead after that. We stayed there, so it worked out.
Way to go. Congratulations, guys. Give him a round of